as of my knowledge cut off in September 2021. Here are some of the biggest cricket stadiums in the world by seating capacity. Narendra Modi Stadium, formerly known as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium, Ahmedabad, India. It is the largest cricket stadium in the world with a seating capacity of 132,000 after its renovation. It is the home ground for the Indian cricket team. Melbourne Cricket Ground, Melbourne, Australia. While primarily used for Australian rules football and cricket, the Melbourne Cricket Ground, MCG, is one of the largest stadiums in the world and has a capacity of around 100,024 seats. Eden Gardens, Kolkata, India, with a seating capacity of approximately 68,000, Eden Gardens is one of the oldest and most iconic cricket stadiums in India. It has hosted numerous historic matches and is the home ground for the Bengal cricket team. Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium, Hyderabad, India, located in Uppal, Hyderabad. This stadium has a seating capacity of around 55,000. It has hosted many international cricket matches. Sydney Cricket Ground, Sydney, Australia. The Sydney Cricket Ground, SCG, has a seating capacity of approximately 48,601. It is one of Australia's oldest and most famous cricket stadiums. Cutoff Stadium, Lahore, Pakistan, with a capacity of around 27,000 seats. Cutoff Stadium is the largest cricket stadium in Pakistan. It has hosted numerous international matches. Kensington Oval, Bridgetown, Barbados. The Kensington Oval has a seating capacity of around 28,000. It is one of the prominent cricket stadiums in the West Indies and has hosted many international matches. Please note that stadium capacities may change over time due to renovations and expansions. It's always a good idea to verify the latest information when looking for the largest cricket stadiums in the world.